How to use the rapid response alcohol test strips. Before testing, check the expiration date on the back of the strip package. Make sure to bring the test to room temperature and ensure nothing has been placed in the mouth for at least 15 minutes. This includes food, gum, drinks, or tobacco products. Wash your hands and gather your materials. You will need the strip, the comparison chart found on the pouch, and optionally the clean collection cup provided with the kit. A timer is also required but not included for the testing process. Step 1. Collect the sample. Open the pouch and remove the test strip. Collect saliva using the supplied collection cup, or allow saliva to pool naturally in the mouth. Step 2. Saturate the pad. Completely saturate the reaction pad with saliva for 6 to 8 seconds. Step 3. Read the results. At 2 minutes, compare the color of the reaction pad with the color chart printed on the pouch. No color change indicates alcohol was not detected. Shades of blue indicate increasing approximate blood alcohol concentration. If the pad is blue before testing, or only the edges change color, do not use and repeat the test using a new strip. Rapid response alcohol test strips. Dip into the sample, wait 2 minutes, and compare.